In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight image in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Comment tab up top, and from here you have two options. You could use the Highlight Area tool or the Free Highlight tool. So, of course, if you'd like to easily highlight the entire image, for some reason if you want to do that, you can just click on Highlight Area over here, and you can right-click to select the color here. So you can do whichever one you want, or click on Comment Style Palette, and you can select the fill color here as well as the opacity and stuff like that. I'm just going to leave it as default, and I'm going to do it yellow, and I'm going to basically just draw a rectangle over the image, and there we go. I've basically highlighted that image. However, this doesn't really make sense likely, so if you simply want to just highlight parts of image, you have to go to Free Highlight over here. Again, right click or go in here will allow you to select the color, and then you can just go and basically highlight whatever you want. So let's say you want to highlight these things over here, or for example like this shadow of this car here, or like some road. You can do that very easily and highlight your image that way. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.